This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Carol Gregory. Very well maintained first floor unit close to pool and fitness center. Open floor plan with ceramic tile throughout. Kitchen has granite countertops, breakfast bar, stainless steel appliances, and pantry closet. Spacious primary bedroom has walk-in closet. Bathroom has soaking tub and linen closet. Laundry room in unit. Private screened lanai with views of the woods. New tile roof. Las Palmas is a beautiful gated community with many amenities including 2 pools, 2 fitness centers, clubhouse, outdoor grow by pool, tennis courts, playground, and dog park. Conveniently located close to UTC Mall and I-75. For more information, review the details below.